Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I wash my braids. This 5 weeks old braids, guys. My hair is dirty, so I really need to wash it, and I will show you everything I do in this wash day, from the pre-poo to the shampoo and then the deep conditioning process. So everything I will show you. This is a long awaited video. I'm sorry I couldn't do it before because I was not at home, but now I'm there and I'm going to show you exactly how I wash my hair so you can do the same. First up, I'm going to do the pre-poo, which you see I use oils. I start with oils. Coconut oil is the first element in this bottle, and then I'll be following it up with avocado oil. Please, I don't have a particular measurement for the oils. I just evaluate the quantities and I add. But you want to make sure that you use oils and butters that are pure natural, 100% extra virgin if possible. So these oils, I make them myself, both the coconut oil, the avocado oil, and the butter. So this is cacao butter, which I made myself. I'm going to just add this quantity you see here into the bottle. And apart from cacao butter, I also use shea butter, which you can see. This is shea butter. So I mix these oils and butters that I have at home together in the same container. So as I was saying, make sure if you want to use oils and butters for your pre-poo, use those that are extra virgin, natural. If you can't make them, just make sure what you buy is good, it's natural. So all of this in the container, I'm going to dip into hot water, because this mixture, as you can see, is not there are some solid elements like the butters. So if you put them in boiling water, as you see me doing, it is going to permit these oils to dissolve. Okay, so this is very important to do before you apply. So as you can see, it's dissolving gradually. There's just a little bit of the cacao butter is very hard, is the hardest, so it takes more time to dissolve than the other ones. So when everything dissolves, you are ready to go to start applying these oils and butters to your hair. So what I wanted to say is, using a pre-poo, doing a pre-poo like this before you shampoo your hair is very important. It helps your hair to be ready for the shampoo. You know, shampoos have chemical products in it that will strip your hair bare in a way and will leave your hair very dry and stiff. So to prevent these chemicals from stripping your hair bare, doing this pre-poo is like a kind of protection before the shampoo. And also the pre-poo softens the dirt, the residue which is on your hair. Imagine this, my hair is 5 weeks old. I've been having accumulation of dirt on it. So doing a pre-poo before my shampoo will prepare my hair for the shampoo, will soften all the dirt in the hair, such that when I shampoo it, this dirt will easily be washed out with the shampoo. So pre-poo is very nice for the hair. It makes your hair softer and silkier, and it aids in detangling your hair. Now, if you're wondering what pre-poo is all about, pre-pooing is a treatment that you apply to your hair before your hair receives a shampoo. So before you go shampooing your hair, the treatment that you do before the shampoo is called a pre-poo. And the pre-poo can be done with oils and butters, as you see me doing, or you could also use aloe vera juice to do your pre-poo. There are a lot of things you can use for the pre-poo. So you just do research and see what you have available. Whatever oils and butters you have at home can be good for the pre-poo. So this pre-poo is very good if you want to detangle your hair before you wash it. So if your hair is not in a protective style like mine and you want to detangle it before washing it, then you can go ahead to do your pre-poo before your wash day. So now I'm doing a scalp massage after applying the pre-poo oils and butters on my hair. I massage my scalp. Scalp massage is very good for our hair, guys. It promotes hair growth because it stimulates the hair at the roots, so the blood flows good. It encourages blood flow along the roots, so when blood circulates well, then your hair strands are well nourished from the roots, and this promotes good hair growth. So from time to time, it's good to do this scalp massage. I always take advantage of it. Whenever I do pre-poo, I make sure I take a few minutes for this scalp massage. So after pre-pooing like this, I will wrap the hair up as you see. Then I'll keep this wrap on for at least 30 minutes or an hour. If you have a steamer, a hair steamer, then you just need 15 minutes. But since I don't have, I'll wrap like this and stay for an hour. Now this is about an hour later. My hair is feeling so soft at this moment. So you can really see that the pre-poo does a lot of good to the hair. So now I'm going to go shampoo this hair with my regular shampoo. You can use any one of your choice. I apply the shampoo all over and I will wash it out, rinse it out with warm water. Now after the shampoo, I used a t-shirt, a soft t-shirt to dry out the excess water. It's very important to do that. Avoid those rough towels on your hair, they cause breakage. So on this hair now, after this, I'm going to apply my DIY hair mask, which I've shown you on this channel how I prepare the mask. I'm very sorry, guys. I had promised to show you exactly how I prepare this DIY mask with all the ingredients. So this quantity I'm going to use on my hair is what I kept. It's a leftover from my last wash day. I usually prepare much of it and I keep in the freezer so that I can use whenever I need it. But I'll promise I'll be making a video when I get all the elements for this DIY mask ready. When I'll be preparing the next batch, I'm going to film exactly what I do to show you how you can prepare yours. But if you watch the video where I explain step by step how to prepare this mask, you can do it even without seeing. So I'm going to link that video in the description so you can go watch it if you want to prepare your own DIY mask like this. So after applying this mask all over my hair, I will wrap it up just as I did previously and leave it for an hour. After rinsing out the hair mask, I go ahead to deep condition my hair using a conditioner I buy from a store. This conditioner contains hydrolyzed proteins which my hair needs, and these hydrolyzed proteins are not found in my DIY hair mask. So my hair being relaxed, I've noticed that it needs a lot of protein, so I usually use this protein treatment, this deep conditioner, which is also hydrating, to deep condition my hair every time I do my wash day. It really gives my hair the strength it needs to withstand breakage. Now after applying all of this to my hair, it takes just 3 minutes. I don't need to keep it for long. After applying it, I'll go ahead to rinse it out of my hair, and then I will moisturize my hair and apply and oil to seal the moisture. So that is how the wash day goes. Thanks very much guys for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, please do, and give this video a thumbs up so that it encourages me to keep producing this kind of videos for you to watch. And if there's anybody interested in this kind of content, please do well to share this video with that person.